What do you call happiness? For some, it is feeling free, traveling, discovering, looking far away. For some, it is experimenting, overcoming one's limits, living every day like an adventure. For some, it is only a word, like home. And not always home is just a place. For others, however, happiness simply means being there. For us, happiness is being your partner. Providing you with surprising, cutting-edge solutions tailored for you that improve your life and your business. For us, happiness means being by your side always. Whatever your place in the world, MTM Group, growing stronger together.